Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to demo Quick Assist. In search, type in Store and click on Microsoft Store. Now type Quick Assist. As you can see, it's already installed but needs an update, so let's update. This won't take long. As we want to give support, let's click Help Someone. Let's type in our email address and password. This has to be a Microsoft account. Now on the PC that needs support, let's type in the code we were given and press Submit. Now you can see the details of who's giving you support, and you can also read if this is a scam or not. When you are ready, click Allow. You can annotate an on-screen message. I am going to write hello. You can also click what screen you want to view, as a person you are giving support to might have more than one screen. You can also send a message via chat. And you can also request control and control the device that you are helping. You can also restart the device and rejoin the session automatically by clicking here. You can also pause the screen. And of course, you can always end the session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me grow the channel.